Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I will guide you through how to use SEMrush for professional keyword research. In this detailed tutorial, you will learn how to discover high potential keywords, evaluate search volume, keyword difficulty and user intent, and analyze competitors' strategy. By the end of this video, you will have a clear data-driven approach to selecting the right keywords for your content, improving search rankings, and driving consistent long-term organic traffic. So right now I'm at the website of the SEMrush. I have also provided our affiliate link in the description of this video. You can just click on that link which is available in the description of this video and you will reach to this website. Okay, so this is the overall interface of this website. When you reach to this website, you will have to scroll down to the bottom. Okay, when you scroll down to the bottom, you will see in the tool sections here. So here you will select SEO tools, which is basically search engine optimization tools, and here you will see these things like you can do you can also check SEO, you can check website authority, you can also do AI search visibility checker, you can also do these keyword tools, keyword search volume checker, and keyword rank checker. So let's suppose we want to go with the keyword checker. So let's do select this one, and we also going to need to create an account on this website. So let's first write our keyword if we can search the keyword without creating an account. But in order to have full maximum potential features of this SEMrush, you have to do sign up on this website. Okay, so let's say we are want to do search check volume or do keyword search about gaming, and we want to search this in US. You can select any of the country here. So let's suppose we want to go with the United States, and let's do keyword check. So as you can see that it has given us the monthly search volume, global search volume, internet intent, keyword difficulty, which is very hard. And it's mean that you have to narrow down your keyword research so that you can get less keyword difficulty, so that more of the people can watch your can get to your content. So this is the global search volume. As you can see that in India, its search volume is 90.5K. Okay, so as you can see that the CPC cost for this is $0.15, and SERP analysis is shown is that the total results are 3.8 billions, and they have also given you the top 10 Google results regarding this keyword. You can also click on the view all search results. For that purpose, you have to create an account here. Let's if you want to create an account, you will have to click continue with Google, and here you can select your account. So that's how your account successfully will be created, and you will get to have more access to the keyword research tool feature. Okay, so that was all about keyword checker or search through with the help of the SEMrush. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.